Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of the default Snapchat notification sound and want to personalize it, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to change the Snapchat notification sound on your Samsung phone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Samsung phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Scroll down until you find the notification sections and tap on it. Here you can manage all the Snapchat notifications. Tap on sounds. Now you'll see a list of available sounds. Scroll through and tap on the sound you like. Your selection will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Snapchat notification sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.